Hi, folks. This is episode 4 of Autism and Aspergers Finding Your Hidden Superpower. So, on the previous episodes, I've talked about in general about what autism and Aspergers is, and talked about a test called the AppsPie quiz. Gone into in depth in those, and I'll go more in depth in future podcasts. But right now, what I want to do is tackle the concept of neurodiversity, because the idea of the AppsPie test is that autism and and Asperger's are not a spectrum issue. The AppsPie looks at different parts of the personality, strengths, challenges, and within that, then there is a spectrum. So the the slices or the even slices, but the actual content within the slices can be stronger or more challenging. And so, with that comes the concept of neurodiversity, saying that the pointing out the obvious that not all humans are neurologically the same. Not there isn't a one size fits all as far as the brain works and how it works. And so it's in this article that I found from a website called High Speed Training Hub. And neur- the the neurodiversity movement within is generally positive and inclusive. However, there are some instances where the movement causes issues and can actually put pressure on certain people. So the idea is that neurodiversity, not one size does not fit all. This means that it recognizes everyone with the unique abilities and also unique challenges, and considers neurological differences like autism and ADHD as a result of variations in the human genome and the expressions of those genes, because our gene is more like a blueprint, and how we respond epigenetically um, is how we're expressing that blueprint. And there's a wide range of theories on how that works, and I'm not going to get into that here. But what is neurodiversity? Neurodiversity is a movement that wants to change the way we think about autism. It rejects the idea autism is a disorder and sees it instead as a neurological difference, one of the unique ways of thinking and experiencing the world. The movement focuses on excuse me. The movement focuses on celebrating neurological diversity and championing the different worldviews and skills that autistic, dyslexic, bipolar, and other neurodiverse people have. Embracing diversity is important. Neurodiversity is mostly positive and it represents the movement. Um, so it's talking about more of looking at people as unique, and it talks about this autism rights movement. I'm not as interested in that right now, but the neurodiversity presents many benefits for autistic people. Just the idea, the concept. It celebrates people instead of trying to make them fit into different aspects of how you're supposed to learn and how you're supposed to exist as a person. So, with that, um, so this AppsPie test is looking at the neurodiverse people versus neurotypical people, and showing that there's different strengths and different challenges with both communities, and those challenges and those strengths should be looked at more in depth when each person looks at their strengths and challenges and tries to figure out how to communicate with people a lot better. So, this is a lot shorter than I thought it would be, but I just wanted to get over the talk about the concept of neurodiversity. Thank you. Have a good day.